All right, let's dive into a huge trend that's taking over the wellness world, IV therapy. You see it everywhere, right? It's pitched as this amazing shortcut to feeling your absolute best. But what's the real story behind it? Let's get into it. I mean, who hasn't been there? You're feeling run down, totally drained, and just wishing you could get an instant shot of energy. Well, that exact feeling, that's the promise of IV therapy we're going to unpack today. Okay, so first things first, what even is IV therapy? Beyond the hype and the Instagram posts, there's some actual science here that explains why it works so fast. The magic word here is directly. See, unlike a vitamin you swallow, which has to go on this long journey through your digestive system, IV therapy sends a custom blend of goodies straight into your bloodstream. No waiting, no pit stops. And this right here is the real game changer. When you take a supplement orally, your body only absorbs a small fraction of it. But with an IV, you get 100% absorption. That means all those vitamins and nutrients are put to work in your body, like right now. So we get what it is, but what's it actually for? I mean, what can it do for you? This isn't some one-size-fits-all deal. It's all about targeting very specific wellness goals. And here are some of the big ones. Maybe you need a mental boost for a big project at work. That's energy and focus. Trying to avoid getting sick when everyone around you is coughing? That's immune support. Or maybe you need to bounce back fast after a killer workout or a long flight. Hello, hydration and recovery. It's all about figuring out exactly what your body is asking for. Right, so because everyone's goals are so different, it makes sense that there isn't just one type of IV drip. The best way to think about it is like a menu, where every single formula is mixed for a specific outcome. And it's all about that customization. For instance, the immunity drip is going to be packed with things to help your body fight off germs. The beauty drip is all about ingredients for that healthy, hydrated glow. A recovery drip is your best friend after a marathon or a bout of the flu. And then you have these really advanced options like NAD+ therapy, which gets down to the cellular level to help with anti-aging and energy. So what's it actually like to get one of these things? A huge part of the appeal is the experience itself. It's not just about what's in the bag. It's about the whole vibe. First, and this is super important, this is not a do-it-yourself situation. These treatments are always given by licensed, experienced IV specialists. I mean, it is a medical procedure, so having that professional expertise is absolutely critical for it to be safe and effective. And of course, what's in the bag really matters. Every single treatment is mixed fresh right before you get it, using top-of-the-line medical-grade ingredients. This is also what allows them to personalize it just for you and your health goals. Now, this is what really sets it apart from a sterile clinical feel. The idea is to create a relaxing, spa-like lounge where you can just lean back in a comfy chair and recharge. It's designed to make wellness feel like a little bit of a luxury. This quote really says it all, doesn't it? We help our community feel refreshed, recharged, and balanced. It's not just about selling a product, it's about helping people find that sense of balance and feel their absolute best. Okay, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. If you're even a little curious about this, you probably have a few questions, so let's just tackle the big ones right now. First up, the question for anyone with a busy schedule. What's the time commitment here? Are we talking about blocking off your whole afternoon? And you know what? The answer is pretty great. Most sessions are just 35 to 60 minutes long. You could honestly squeeze one into your lunch break. It's a really efficient way to invest in yourself without totally derailing your day. Okay, this is probably the most important question of all, right? We are talking about an intravenous procedure, so safety has got to be priority number one, no question. And the short answer is yes, as long as it's done right. Safety really comes down to these three pillars. It's always done by licensed professionals. They use completely sterile equipment for every single person, and the formulas are made with high-quality medical-grade ingredients. Non-negotiable. All right, so let's say you try it. You love how you feel. And you're thinking, what's next? Is this just a one-and-done kind of thing, or is it something you build into your routine? Well, that's really up to you and your body. A lot of people find that going weekly or every other week really helps them maintain that high-energy, feel-good state. But the key thing to remember is that it's all personalized. They'll help you figure out a schedule that actually works for your goals and, your life. Which brings us to this final thought. In a world where we all want things to be efficient and to see results fast, is this direct-to-bloodstream approach the future of how we take care of ourselves? Think about it. It completely skips the slow lane of digestion and delivers nutrients right where they need to go. It kind of makes you wonder, what else in our health could be optimized like this? Definitely something to chew on.